Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone. Today we're gonna continue what we have started yesterday. We're gonna talk about fractions, but today fractions on number line, but greater than 1. Yesterday, I need you to remember that we studied how to put or how to plot fractions smaller than 1 or less than 1. Like we said, to know that the fraction, let us remember. Okay, so if the fraction like this have the number here is 2 and down, okay, it is 2 and down it is, hold on please, okay, this is 2 and down it is 3. For example, if you have 2 over 3. Okay, so don't forget the number up here, it is numerator. We call the number up numerator, and the number down, it was denominator, as we said before. So if you have the number up, we said if the number up greater than, we said yesterday, if the number up smaller than, I'm sorry, less than the number down, okay, so here we have 2 up and 3 down. So 2 less than 3. 2 less than 3 means that this fraction less than 1. So if you have the number up or the numerator less than denominator, so that this fraction will be smaller than 1. Okay. Today we're gonna start or we're gonna study fractions greater than 1. So it will be the opposite. Now, if you need to find that the fraction is greater than 1, so that the number up will be greater than number down. So it will become, for example, 5 over 2. This is 5 over 2. Okay, I'm sorry for the pen. I don't know what's wrong with it. So this is 5 over 2. So the number up here is greater than number down. Number up greater than number down. So that this fraction will be greater also, but greater than 1. So if you have the number up greater than the number down, it will be greater than, the whole fraction will be greater than 1. And if the number up smaller than or less than the number down, it will be smaller than or less than 1. So let us see what do we have today. Okay, so as we said, fractions on the number line greater than 1. Okay, I need all of you please to open your books on page 470. 470. Here it will be the same question, but we have a fraction like this. As I said, the numerator is greater than denominator. So 6 bigger than 4 or greater than 4, so that this fraction will be greater than 1. How? If you have 6, for example, if you have 6, maybe 6 cupcakes, if you have 6 cupcakes and you need to divide them into 4 of your friends, okay, so you need to divide it into 4 persons, so that each one will take how many cupcakes that each one will take. So each one will take 1. You will divide. You have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're gonna fill this spaces, or you will give each one cupcake, one for the first one for the second, one for third, one for the fourth. So you will still have 2. So now you need to divide this two cupcakes into 4 persons. So each one will take what? 2 over 4. 2 over 4. So that it will be 6 over 4, as like this. So 6 over 4, each one will take more than 1 cupcake. Each one will take more than 1. So that 6 over 4 is greater than 1. This fraction, as I said, the numerator greater than the denominator, so that the whole fraction greater than 1. Okay. Now let's plot this number, and let us remember how to plot it on the number line. But today we gonna use fractions greater than 1. So yesterday we said that we start with 0 and finish with 1. Now I need you to know that this fraction from the beginning, it is 6 over 4. So you need that this fraction will be greater than 1. So it will be between 1 and 2. So you will draw, firstly, you will draw the number line as usual, and then you will divide it from its middle like this. Here it will be 1. Then you will finish it with 2, the end with 2. So start with 0 as usual and finish now with 2. Okay, so this fraction will be between 1 and 2. Okay, but how do we know that the fraction between 1 and 2? Okay, could you please divide from the first term, could you please divide 6 divided by 4? 6 divided by 4. Okay, so if you're gonna divide 6 by 4, if you divide 6 by 4, so each one will take 1, you will have 1, and you will have remainder. We said the remainder are 2. You will have remainder 2. So this remainder will be 2 out of 4. So the remainder will be 2 over 4, like this. So it is just 1 and 2 over 4. Okay, so it will be, mainly we need it to be greater than 1. So it will be between 1 and the next number. 1 and the next number is 2. So it will be between 1 and 2, like this. So our fraction here that we need is 6 over 4. It will be exactly like here. Here, we're gonna divide the distance into equal distances, as we said yesterday, equal distances. From 0 to 1, we're gonna divide into 4 equal pieces as usual. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal pieces. So first step or first jump, 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4, and then we said 1 equal 4 over 4. Then 5 over 4, 6 over 4. That's it. Here, this will be 6 over 4 that we need to represent. Then it will be 7 over 4 and 8 over 4. And you know that 8 over 4, or 8 divided by 4, equal 2. Okay, just like that. So let us see what are the examples for this lesson. It will be exactly the same like yesterday. Okay, but I need now Omar Usama to start and to join me. Omar Usama, where is Omar? This is Omar Usama. Omar, how are you? This is Omar
Yes,
Usama. Omar, how are
Master.
you? Omar, you
Fine,
have.
thank you. What
Omar,
about
you
you?
have. Okay, so you have a delay in the
Have a
voice.
delay
No
in the
problem.
voice. No problem. Yes.
Okay. Omar, here this is
Omar,
15.
here this is 15. 15/8. Yes.
Okay, so 15 over 8. This fraction is smaller or greater than 1. This is not good. Not good at all. So
What?
Omar, could you please, your speaker,
Yes. Yes.
mute the voice, and
Yes, Mister.
okay, now this is 15 over 8.
15/8.
الصوت
Yes.
بيتكرر، the sound is repeated. يا عمر, just fix it, and I will get back to you. This is not good at all. So, Omar Osama, I will get back to you after 2 turns. Just fix it, okay? I will start now with Muhammad Zuhiri. Muhammad? Muhammad, how are you?
I'm fine.
Muhammad, here this is 15 over 8. Could you tell me, ya Muhammad, 15 over 8 will be less than 1 or greater than 1?
Greater.
Greater, excellent. It will be greater than 1 as the numerator greater than denominator. So
Yes.
now we need to divide into how many pieces, into how many equal parts as yesterday?
8.
8, excellent. So from 0 to 1, we're gonna divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 8 equal pieces like this. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8.
8.
So this is 8 equal parts. So that we need 15 equal parts, right?
Yes.
Not just 8. So we're gonna
Divide
get,
the other.
yeah, we're gonna get another number or the next number. The next number after 1, it is 2. So let's get another piece or another part like this to reach 2. And we're gonna divide this
10.
this part into 8
8.
equal
8.
pieces also. 8 equal pieces also, or 8 equal parts. So
6,
that's
7.
7, excellent. And this is 8 pieces or 8 parts, as we said, for 1. 1 will be 8 over 8, right?
7 more.
Okay, oh yeah, excellent. Then it will be 9 over 8, 10 over 8, and continue. 11 over
11
8,
over 8.
yeah.
12 over 8.
Mhm.
13 over 8. 14 over 8.
And
15 over
finally,
8.
here, we're gonna
15
reach
over 8.
15 over 8. It will be the step, the last step here. It will be exactly here. Okay, so 15 over 8 is so close to number 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, Muhammad, thank you. So I'm sorry, I have a technical issue with my graphic tablet, so I don't know what is wrong with it. Okay, so let's continue, please, and let's get another example for Muad Shaban. Muad,
Yes, Mister.
Muad, here this is 7 over 4. 7 over 4 is greater than 1 or less than 1?
Greater than 1.
Excellent. Numerator greater than denominator, number up greater than number down. It will be greater than 1. So this is bigger than 1. So we need it to be 7 parts of out of 4. So between 0 and 1, we're gonna divide between 0 and 1 into how many pieces? How many equal pieces? How many equal parts?
4.
4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need already 7, not 4. So we're gonna continue, right?
Yeah, right.
After 4, it is 5, 6, 7. So the fraction that we need will be here, will be exactly here, 7 over 4, right?
Right.
Okay, Mu'ad, thank you. And let's ask Arishman, who didn't answer for the last 3 times. Arishman, he didn't answer also. Also today, he didn't answer. So today, Arishman, if you hear me, it will be the last session for you if you didn't answer. Starting from tomorrow, you will be out of the session without participation. Sajid Ahmed? Sajid?
Yes, mister. Yes, mister.
How are you, Sajid?
I'm fine.
Yes, Sajid. Here we have 9 over 6. 9 over 6, yes, Sajid, is greater than or less than 1?
Greater than or less than 1?
Yes.
Mm, um,
We said yesterday if the number, the numerator, do you know the numerator?
yes.
Numerator up or down?
Up or down?
Yes.
Down.
Numerator down?
Up.
Okay, I said up or down. So if it is not down, it will be up. Sajid, did you study anything from the beginning of this term? Did you
Yes.
submit the quiz?
Yes. I submitted
What is your
the
grade?
grade 3.
I do. What is your mark in the quiz?
Mark 10.
10 out of 10. So yes, Sajid, what is wrong with you? We said many times that in any fraction, we have the number up, it is numerator. I just say it now, up before 3 minutes.
Yes.
Numerator down, I said down denominator. So 2 over 5 down denominator. This is denominator. Is I said down
Yes.
with D will be denominator with D also. So there is no place to forget it. It is denominator with D down. Okay? Numerator
Okay.
up. Any
Okay.
problem now?
Yes.
So here we have the numerator greater than the denominator, right? 9 is greater than 6.
Yes.
So this fraction will be greater than 1. Greater up, greater than down. So this fraction will be greater also, greater than 1, greater than 1. Okay? So this is
Yes.
greater than 1. Now, we need to know where is 9 over 6 in the number line, on the number line. We're going to divide into how many equal parts? Yes, Ajid?
How many equal parts?
Yes.
6.
6. Excellent. So, as we did yesterday, we're going to divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 6 equal pieces or 6 equal parts. This is
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's make it much more accurate, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, this is not 6. Let's check it. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay, so we divided between 0 and 1 into 6 equal parts. We
Yes.
need 9 equal parts, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue. After this is 6 over 6 on 1 or at 1, it will be 6 over 6, right?
Yes.
Then 7
Yes.
over 7, 7 over 6, 8 over 6, 9 over 6. It will be exactly here, 9 over 6,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
9 over 6 will be greater than 1, and it will be maybe here or about here, about in this place. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
yes, Ajay. Thank you. Now let's ask Omar Osama again. Omar,
Yes.
now I can hear your
Yes.
voice only. I can hear my voice again.
Okay.
So, yeah, Omar, the reason that you will not share, will not join today is that you have a problem with your microphone and the speaker. So fix it, and tomorrow, inshallah, you will be the first also. But fix it. Fix your problem, your technical problem. Okay, now let's ask Abdurrahman Al-Aqad.
Yes. Yes.
Abdurrahman, next question, please. This is 5 over 3. 5 over 3 is greater than or less than 1.
Greater than.
Greater, excellent. This is greater than 1. So we're gonna divide into how many equal pieces or how many equal parts, yeah, Abdurrahman?
3.
3, excellent. So we're gonna divide from 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, like this. We need 5, but we need 5, right?
Yes.
So we still need 2 more, right?
Right.
So after 3, it is 4 and 5. So the fraction that we need will be exactly here. So we're gonna put 5 over 3 here. So
Yes.
5 over 3 lies between 1 and 2, right, Abdurrahman?
Right. Right.
Is it in the middle or maybe closer to 2?
Mm, Middle.
Not middle. This is 3 equal parts, right? You said this is 3 equal parts. One, 2, 3. So it is uh, the distance between 5 over 3 and 2 is one part only, right? One port, and from the other side it is 2 ports. So it is
Yes.
closer to
2.
the whole 2, right?
Right.
Okay, Abdurrahman, thank you. So that's it. I need you just to know that any fraction, uh, the summary for the previous 2 lessons, I need you that I need you to know if the fraction has a greater numerator than denominator, so it will be greater than 1, like today. If the fraction has a smaller or less numerator, it will be less than 1. So we are talking about numerator. Numerator greater, it will be greater than 1. Numerator smaller, it will be smaller than 1. This is the only question that I need you to know. Okay? So unfortunately, we ran out of time today. I'm so sorry for my late. Thank you. And tomorrow, inshallah, we're going to continue. And I love you all. Have a nice day. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye bye.